Hey guys, Dayan here. We're back with another episode at Navigator Sports, the better fitness choice.
Hey guys, it's Jen, and here at Navigator Sports, we don't believe in limits.
That's right. Here we like to take things further and further and push things to the next level.
We just keep making our equipments bigger and better for all of you guys out there. So guys, curious na ba kayo kung ano yung equipment na sinasabi namin there?
Well guys, we're going to be talking about a lot today, so brace yourselves. And here it is, the Smith machine with power cage and adjustable pulley crossover.
Wait lang tayo. Tama ba yung narinig ko? Parang ang dami nun. Wait lang. Pakiulit nga.
Well, let me repeat that for you guys. The Smith machine with power cage and adjustable pulley crossover.
Whoa! So, ang dami na. Okay.
So, and consistent with the Navigator brand, this is made with quality 2.5mm steel frame, black textured powder coat finish. Nakita naman guys, quality yan. And scratch proof.
Guys, if you notice, not all of the frames are actually black textured powder coated finish. Now, this frame right here is actually stainless steel as well as the other side over there. So guys, paano ba natin i-maintain ng ating stainless steel frame? So, very easy, just use any oil that you have lying around in your house. If you have cooking oil, if you have baby oil, or the cheapest option is actually motor oil.
Wait, Jen, do I have to buy those special oils for machine?
Kung binibenta sila ng hindi na kailangan na yan. Just the regular motor oil will do. So maybe apply once a week, or if you feel like it's rusty na, or hindi na smooth yung movement, just apply like a very thin coat and you're good to go. So guys, Dayan mentioned earlier that this is the Smith machine with the power cage. Now guys, if you've watched our previous videos before, we actually have a separate video about the power cage. So if you haven't watched that, then we're going to put it in the link down below. We're going to put it in the description below. So make sure you guys watch that. But we'll just give you a quick run through of the features of our power cage. We have the multi-level height adjustment from top to bottom right here, and we also have the easily adjustable accessories. That's right, like Jen said, this is completely adjustable and it comes with these tips. And guys, super easy to adjust. Just slide that in, snap it back on, and you can use it now. These tips again guys, and then also these bar holders. Guys, completely secure and compatible once again with the 7-foot Olympic bar. And not only that guys, it also comes with these safety catches. Of course, very important. Safety is very important. Yeah, guys, if you watched our previous videos, and if you haven't yet, make sure to watch that. The previous power cage that we showed you guys only has this steel bar of safety catch. Now this one is actually made more durable and of course better for our users. So guys, napansin nyo kanina pa ako nakaupo dito, and Dayan as well. She's sitting on the safety catch. It's very durable, very strong, and of course made better for all you guys out there.
Diba guys, ang daming feature, but that's not all. It also comes once again with these adjustable pulley crossovers. So you can see guys, adjustable. So you can adjust it up and down by pulling this pin, easily pulling it. And then whatever height you want to adjust it, it will just snap back in.
That looks so easy. Guys, Dayan showed you how to adjust it up and down. You can also adjust it side to side. Now, what's cool about this adjustable pulley crossover is that you can actually work out with a friend. So, kunyari kami nito, isang work out together, hindi namin kailangan magpuntuban or anything like that. We can't actually bother each other when working out together with this machine. Ayan. So, guys, the Smith machine with the crossover and the power cage is just really intimidating to look at, pero sobrang dali lang niyang galawin and i-maneuver. With our adjustable pulley crossover, we also have the pull-up bars up here. Those are rubber-coated and non-slip as well.
And if you want more details on the adjustable pulley crossover, guys, we have another video on that. And we will just put the description down below. Once again, check that out, guys. If you want a more detailed, detailed coverage of the pulley crossover, that's all in there.
Guys, parang ang dami na kaya niyo pa ba? Kaya mo ba?
Siyempre, more, that's more.
Okay, let's go now to our main event, which is the Smith machine. the quad bearing bar right here. Ayan, quad bearing bar. Now, why do we call it the quad bearing bar? Now, it has the bearing for the inner and outer side of the bar on both sides.
Making it completely safe, diba?
Yes, exactly. So, I'll just want to show you guys, sobrang smooth nito. Yan, sobrang smooth ng movement niya. As you can see, I'll just, ayan. Pansin nyo ba? Sobrang smooth ng movement. Hindi siya mauga. Hindi talaga. And it also comes with this safety latch. So, pag medyo nabibigat na kayo, pwede nyo lang just...
Take notes guys, mabigat na to. Mabigat na to.
Exactly. So yeah, we also have the safety latch on both sides of the bar.
So as you can see, this is really perfect for beginners. No? Syempre, safety is really key. And if you're working out alone, this is self-spotting system, diba, na pwede kang mag-isa. Pwede mong hawakan alone, just like Jen showed us kanina. And also, it comes with this safety patches again, guys. Pakita nga ni Jen how that works. You can adjust the height again. Saan ka man nagsisquat, diba, guys? As you can go as low as you want.
Ayan. Okay, so I'll show you guys again. Sobrang dali lang ng ating i-maneuver ng ating quad bearing bar. So, if you're going lower squat, so kung feel mo medyo mabigat na, just leave it like that.
Let it go like that.
Let go lang. Hindi man lang siya naka-safety latch, as you can see, guys. So, you have the safety latch option and you also have the safety catch option. So, sobrang safe nito equipment. May safety catch na tayo for our power cage. We also have one here for our Smith machine.
It's really perfect for working out at home, diba? Kahit you're alone, you're with someone na medyo beginner pa kayo and you want to weight train, you can use this machine. And guys, kahit ang dami ng feature, it is also important to note that this is plate loaded, meaning you can completely customize these the weight according to your capacity. Ito guys, we are using this Olympic plate right here.
Guys, yeah, Olympic plates lang yung kasya sa ating Smith machine.
And with that, it gives us added resistance for the pulley crossover. Ayan, medyo mas may resistance na siya. And you can go as high as you want. You don't have to worry because it comes with this high-grade cable. And it comes with this linear bearing right here.
Napansin ko din, sobrang smooth ng pag-pull.
Kaya smooth ang movement niya. Diba? Hindi ka mahihirapan.
That's so nice.
I think Jen, there's more.
Actually, guys, last but not the least, another cool feature our Smith machine with power cage and crossover has is this landmine over here. So guys, imagine, meron ka ng landmine, meron ka ng power cage, you also have the adjustable pulley crossover and the Smith machine in just one gym equipment, all in one machine. So guys, all of this you can get for only 56,000 pesos.
That's right, 56,000 pesos, guys. Now, here at Navigator Sports, we can offer you the power cage separately. We can offer you the adjustable pulley crossover, guys. It's a mouthful, but it's a lot, diba, guys? And that will cost you thrice the amount, diba? But here at Navigator Sports, you can get the Smith machine with power cage, with adjustable pulley crossover.
All in one machine na siya.
For only 56,000 pesos.
So guys, what are you waiting for? Head on over to our Facebook page, send us a message, send us a DM on Instagram, and get your own Smith machine with power cage and adjustable pulley crossover today. Of course, guys, hindi pwede magtapos ang ating episode without the challenge of the day. So ano ang challenge natin today?
Well guys, today we will use, of course, our Smith machine for today's challenge, where we will do squats tayo with this bar, as many as we can in 30 seconds. Miss lang yun, pero as many as we can. So paramihan tayo dyan, Jen.
Oh my God, sino mo na sa akin? Ikaw na ikaw nakaisip eh.
Ay, pala eh.
Ikaw nakaisip. So, okay, so 30 seconds
naman ako dito.
No! Keep there! Come on!
Okay, gamitin natin to. So wait, guys, ito-check mo na yung height for if okay for me. Ano ba? There, okay.
30 seconds on the clock.
So make sure hindi siya nasa latch.
Yeah, okay. Parang gusto ko lagyan ng weights din. Joke! Pero guys, mabigat siya. 30 seconds. Ready? Get set. Go! 1, 2, parang kinakasama 3, 4, 5, ang bilis lang sa kanya. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 22, stop!
Buti na dyan yung safety catch.
Buti na dyan yung safety catch. Oh, wait lang, matay pa rin para sa'yo. Team Jen, kaya ba natin to? Hindi mo yung kailangan mo i-beat. Okay, let's go! 30 seconds on the clock. Parang kinakabahan ako. Anyway, sige. Team Jen, kaya natin to. Okay.
Set. Go, go! 1, 2,
Oh my God!
3.
Oh, sige na. Wait. I give up. Parang kinakabahan. Bakit ikaw yung napagod? Alam ko yung first time ako natalo. Team Dayan! I'm so sorry, Team Jen. I failed you. Anyway, sige. Bigyan natin kay Dayan. Itong episode na to, Dayan, I'm ready. Anong consequence mo sa akin? Guys, kinakabahan ako. Alam ako bigyan ng consequence.
Totally not prepared, but I have hot sauce for you to consume.
Ano? Hoy! Wait lang, usapan na. Dayan, Diyos.
Kahit isa lang, isa lang. Sa third packet.
Ayan.
Pero, yay, we won today, guys! Kung naalala niyo yung isang episode.
Hot sauce. Para lang makita niyo, guys. That's hot sauce. Totoo ba to? Wait lang. Kunin natin yung water na. Hala.
Sarap.
Ho? Hala na.
Masarap-sarap.
Lahat talaga? Like,
Diba, may tubig na mo.
lahat? Huwag mo itatakbo yan. Kilala ko na yan. Lagay mo dito yan. Ilagay mo yan dyan.
Hawakan mo lang for safekeeping.
Oh my God. For the love of Navigator Sports. Team Jen, this is for you. Woo!
My God,
Sobrang close out ng wait na.
Drink it, drink it, drink it. Ang bilis! Ubusin mo, ubusin mo. Oh my gosh. Wow, such a good sport naman si Jen.
Tapos mag-outro tayo ng ganito tayo.
Yes, of course.
You know what? I will not drink water. Wow! Guys, thank you for watching another episode of Navigator Sports.
Oh my God. Don't forget, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, press that subscribe button down below. And that bell, of course, so that you get notified for whenever we have a new episode coming up.
Wait, let me. Joke lang, guys. Make sure to follow us on our social media platforms. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. Guys, we have TikTok as well. Follow Dayan and me. We're going to put our Instagram handles on there. Everything is going to be linked in the description below for you guys. And that's it. That's it. Bye. See you guys soon. Bye.
Bye!